airplane, I think.
Is it okay if I also record
Yes, please.
how we will be like?
Yeah, when take off, yeah. Or if I record it, I can send it to you.
Okay.
Yeah, we can record both. How I go here,
Okay.
you can. It's okay. Yeah. You can here or here? Which
Okay.
one is better?
This is one I see.
That one is 10 euros. Here. This one is 20. So yeah, it's good. So tomorrow, what time you come back?
Afternoon.
So no time. You meet them today?
Yeah. Today and tomorrow in the morning.
Because I have this thermal bath for bath.
It's really good. Hungary is very known for this, for their
Thermal bath. You tried or?
no, I never tried, but I was living in Hungary for 8 months.
8 months.
Yeah,
Which city?
Budapest.
So I will ask you some questions.
Like this.
Yes.
There is a small airplane made from.
It's okay. You small, no good? You can do like this, little bit.
Or I can go like this. It's better to see.
Is it?
This.
I see. Yeah, because the camera is here. When it's moving. I can send it to you on WhatsApp if you like. Or you can record as well. I will send you the video, you make for me one page. One video, one page.
Then I will record my video by my